What's up, guys? Good morning. I just want to give you a quick note. This video is actually made before I picked up the Supra. I've got like a bunch of backlogged content, so you might see some older videos before actually getting into Supra content. But yeah, you guys, other than that, sit back and enjoy the video. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video with Thick Whips. So glad to have you here today. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful morning. We are heading over to Chris, Mr. Big Boost F30. He's got the mineral gray 335 with the Big Boost kit on it, and he just got a GTS hood from Souvenir. I think you guys have seen a few GTS hood installations on this channel before, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on his car, and I think it's gonna look really, really good, especially in the mineral gray. Bow! Bow! How you feeling, man?
Yo,
you
what
good?
up, everybody?
A little bit hungover today?
Rough weekend, rough weekend.
Rough night, huh?
Yeah, rough night, rough weekend, I don't know, shit.
All right, you guys, we're back at Chris's place. So, GTS hood today. I know I introed this video already, but turns out he hasn't had the hood painted yet. We're actually gonna put it on the car, and then he's gonna go to, I believe, S&M.
Yeah.
Maybe shop around a little bit and try and find a place that you said they quoted you 600.
Yeah, for just a hood, and I'm gonna see if I can get a bumper kind of touched up, so it might be a little more.
Yeah, which probably makes the most sense. It'll blend the best and look the best once you have everything painted together.
Yeah.
But so this car is the mineral gray with like the purple undertone.
The purple undertone.
Yeah, and you were
saying there's two codes for mineral gray. So one's like a bluish, one's a purplish.
I actually didn't know that. There's actually two different mineral grays on the F30s. What about the F80s? Do you know if they have?
I have no idea. I have no idea about mineral gray outside of this one.
Okay, cool. So. No worries. If you guys are interested in the hood, I'm gonna have it linked down below. I had it on the M2. I had it on the F30. Andre says it on the F30. Just looks great, man. It's a good affordable option for a super aggressive look on the F30 BMWs.
You good? So grab.
So if you guys are looking for the detailed install video, hit up Chris's channel. I'm gonna have a link down below. He's going through all of the steps. Mine is a little more of like a cinematic, just kind of like an overview to show you guys before and after.
And then we're gonna try to align it a little bit while it's on kind of down. Hopefully this
Yo.
is the Hopefully this is the
What's wrong, dude?
Yo, bro, I'm going through withdrawal. I'm going through withdrawal.
So
Like
hungover, dude.
I dropped my car off at the dealer.
Oh no,
They're
it's
doing-
a bad week for you.
It's been a bad week. They're doing like the seat emblems because they're just prone to cracking.
Yeah, you gotta get those nice light
So-
new ones.
I gotta. I'm missing that car a lot.
Alright, so because the hood is so light, I'm gonna need your help again, Jay.
Yeah, I
So
got
let's set this up. This one's see about that, but it just moved pretty good. Did you push it towards me a little bit?
No.
Alright, so let it go. Good, that is a lot. Make sure
All right, you guys, so we got it fitted up to the car. Dude, it actually fits really good. Took a few things to adjust. I'm gonna run you guys through it. So we were fighting this gap up here a little bit. Also, a quick note, Chris is actually taking this in to get painted with the car. So he's actually contemplating painting the front bumper, in which case they'll probably blend the fenders into the hood. So this will all get readjusted by the body shop and probably even like better dialed in. But the one gap that we were fighting a little bit was right here. Not bad at all. If you run across with it, it's very consistent all the way through. All the way around, looks good, looks good. These tend to be the points on the GTS hoods where you kind of have to fight things a little bit. But for the most part, I mean, I've seen OEM hoods fit worse than this. Nevertheless, this actually turned out really good. So we ended up adjusting the fenders in a little bit. We ended up moving the bumper in a little bit. This fender in a little bit. I think the hinges came up, or we moved the hood up on the hinge a little bit and then over that way. But for the most part, it turned out really nice. The vent, so if you guys are running he's running the InGen intake, and the engine and the MST intake sit really high. If you're running those intakes, the chances of this vent hitting that intake is pretty high. You will have to do some dremeling, especially on the MST. The MST sits the highest. The engine, you can close it, but it does tap it a little bit. So on the M2, I had the Dynon intake and it fit perfectly, 0 issues. That is just something I wanted to note. Also, these are pass-through vents. So if you have water, it's gonna go right through. Not the end of the world. If you're daily driving your F30 and you're caught out in the rain a lot, might want to consider making some sort of block-off plate. They don't sell these with the hoods with an actual block-off plate built in. You're gonna have to kind of DIY one. There's a couple ways you can do it. You can make one out of plastic and plastic weld it, or you can do what I did on my M2 and I actually used duct tape and some adhesive foam, and it worked really well. I had it on there for 5-6 months. No water, no issues. Yeah, this turned out really, really nice. Chris, you happy with it?
Yes, sir. That's why I went with this hood, because I love it. I saw it on your car and fell in love, and here we are.
Yeah, it looks super aggressive. So he's gonna actually take this over to the body shop, I believe, next, and have all this stuff done, have painted, have it professionally fitted a little bit better. I would say it's probably an 8 or 9 out of 10 on the fitment right now. It's also important to note that when the hood is black and the car is a different color, it's really easy to notice these gaps. They kind of just stand out because of this contrast in color. Once you get it painted, it's a lot better. It looks a lot more seamless. But all in all, the entire process took us, what, 10, 15 minutes, Chris, something like that?
Sure.
Really easy, super simple. I've done it a couple of times, so it's a little bit easier because I kind of knew my way around it. Helped these guys out, got it dialed in. It looks really good. I'm gonna have Chris's channel linked down below if you guys want to see the step-by-step install. This was more of just like a little cinematic video for this. Also, the hood is going to be linked down below if you guys are interested in buying one. M2, M3, F30, M4, any of those. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification. Just like that, this video's over, and we're out.